Hello my dear children, welcome to Maths class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about numbers from 10 to 20. So children, let's begin with the class. Children, we know numbers from 1 to 9, isn't it? We use only ones place to write the numbers from 1 to 9. For example, children, if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 9, we say, if it is 1, we say 1, 1. If it is 2, we say 2 ones. If it is 3, we say 3 ones. Similarly, if it is 4, we say 4 ones, etc. till 9. Then children, what we will do further? Let's learn. To write numbers further, we need two places. Isn't it children? The numbers after 9, that comes like 10, 11, 12. So we need an extra place to write, isn't it? We cannot write like 1, 4, etc. In case of 11, 12, 13, we need two places, 1 and 3. Okay? Now, if we say 1 to 9, these are called ones place. Now, when it becomes 10, 11, 12, like the numbers after 9, we say this place as tens. This place is known as tens and this place is known as ones. We denote tens place as T and we denote ones place with O. The places of these numbers can easily be depicted on an abacus. An abacus is a tool which shows us the concept of numbers. It has one wooden stick vertically and some beads on it. Maximum of 9 beads can be put in the place of O. That denotes ones place. So, till number 9 or 9 beads can be put in the ones place. Now as it becomes 10, we put one extra bead in the tens place. Children, if we want to show 13 on the abacus, what we will do? We will put 3 beads in the ones place and 1 bead on the tens place. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beads in the ones place and 1 bead in the tens place. So it becomes number 1 and 3 becomes 13. So 1 is at the tens place and 3 beads are at the ones place. By counting this, we can say that 13 is the number. If we want to depict only number 5, that is 5 ones. So at ones place, we will put only 5 beads. This depicts that the tens place has no digit and hence we put a 0 at the tens place and 5 beads in the ones place, so it becomes number 5. So children, as I said earlier that at ones place only 9 beads can be put. So as soon as it becomes 9, we have to shift 2 beads in the tens place to show the number 20. Like number 13, we can continue up to number 19. As soon as this bead becomes 9 in the ones place, we have to put another one bead at the tens place. So this number becomes 20, depicting that the ones place has 0 beads and tens place has 2 beads, 1 and 2. So this is number 20. 2 is in the tens place and 0 is in the ones place. When we know about the tens and the ones places, let's learn about the expansion and the short form. How can we represent a number? Let's see. If we write number 14, how can we expand it in the form of tens and ones? Let's see. 14 can be written as 110. Children, in the tens place only 1 is present, so we can say that 110. And what is there at the ones place? That is 4 is present at the ones place. So we can write 110 plus 4 ones. So it becomes number 14. Similarly children, if we write 19, so it becomes, what is there in the tens place? It is 1. So we can write 110. And how many beads are there, or how many numbers are there in the ones place? It is 9. So we can write 9 ones. So children, we know that at ones place we can put only 9 beads, but further if we go for 20, 21, then we need to add another bead in the tens place. So children, if there is number 20, how can we expand it? We can write only 2 tens. Why? Because at the ones place it is 0. We need not to write the ones, 0 ones. I have shown it in the bracket, but you need not to write this. For case of 20, you can write only 2 tens. This is the expansion of number 20. Now children, coming to the shorter form, it's just the opposite of this one. So children, how we have written expansion? 110 plus 4 ones. Similarly, the expanded form will be given to you. You have to write the shorter number, okay, or the standard form. So 1 tens plus 5 ones if we say, then it becomes number 15. Why? Because there is only 1 10 at the tens place and 5 ones at the ones place. So it becomes 1 plus 5 becomes 15. Children, I hope this chapter is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.